Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Skyler with Western Material Handling. Today we are here excited to test drive stock number D21295 here in sunny Colorado. This unit is a 2011 Yale GLP060VX 6,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. This unit has a 199-inch triple stage mast, has side shift 42-inch pallet forks. It's an awesome running LP gas engine. This has the mini lever fingertip hydraulic controls. Just going to take it on up to 199. These Veracitor series have many benefits and features to them. Full LED light package. Strobe backup. It's equipped with solid pneumatic tires, automatic transmission as well. We appreciate you for watching. Thank you very much. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins or Wyoming. Thank you.